Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to make your logo a watermark in MS Word without any stress. So let's see. Right, so the very first thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, go to your design tab, and it's open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to go to watermark. Then the next thing you need to do is to come down below right here, go to custom watermark. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply check on picture watermark. Then right here, you have to simply select a picture and it load up like this. Then you can simply select a picture from a file, or you can select from Bing by using this search icon, and or you can select a picture from your OneDrive account. But in this tutorial, I'm going to select from a personal file. So I will simply click on from a file, and it's going to load up like this. So I have the logo in my download folder. So I will simply check on the logo right here. I'm going to look for the logo right here. So I will simply make use of this Android logo as an example. Then I'll simply click on insert, just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply come to scale right here. You can make it auto, or you can scale it by different size by default right here. I will simply put it in auto. Then I'll come down below right here. I will simply hit on OK. Boom. And it's as simple as that. Then your logo become your watermark in MS Word without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.